We spent yesterday fixing her up. The landing gear has been put back in its mounts. Elevator has been completely replaced, one side at least, and the wing has been rebuilt. There's actually a little spar we put in there, and a new propeller blade has been added. After playing IL-2 last night, that's for sure. Don't have to keep unlocking and locking the tail wheel. Oh, stop, stop, stop. That was going in a bad direction.
I forgot to give it up elevator as I saw.
Woo! My spit has noticeable torque. Wish we just had a dedicated flying field.
Watch out. Alright, are you recording?
Yeah, I am. Ryan, are you 100? I don't want something bad to happen, so I'm going to ask: are you 100% ready if you're going to take off now? Are you 100% positive you're ready?
Well, ready as I'll ever be, I guess.
All right, up to you.
Wunderbar.
Wunderbar. You're up. All right. Don't glide, you're gonna hit something. Holy heck, he did it. Wow. Grounded. Nice! The Ta is back.
Definitely was not an ideal landing.
No, but you got it down, that's what matters.